if a seller wants to do the owner financing deal, do I fill out the standard purchase agreement? Absolutely. Joaquin, every real estate purchase starts with a purchase agreement. You absolutely need that each and every time. The purchase agreement just spells out the person that's buying, the person that's selling, the terms of the arrangement, where it'll close, the closing date. It just nails down all the details. But you definitely want to start with that standard purchase agreement for sure. And our purchase agreements have it built in because remember, anytime something's built into a contract, it's more normal, okay, than if you have to write it in. So make sure your contract has a provision in there for seller financing where you can just fill in the blanks, okay? So even if it's a seller finance deal, if it's a subject to, if it's a cash deal, whatever, they all start with a purchase and sale agreement.